Teespring or Redbubble? This is one of the questions that you guys asked, and it is a great question, so it's going to be the topic of today's video. What's up, guys? My name is Greg, and today I'm going to be talking about should you go with Teespring or should you go with Redbubble? This is going to be a short video, but I think it'll help shape the strategy that you use for print on demand. This is exactly what worked for me, and I think it'll work for you as long as you don't do anything crazy that screws it up. So what this is high volume strategy. It works especially in 2019 because more people are getting into print on demand, so you have to make sure you're going high volume. Teespring and Redbubble both drive a lot of traffic, and it's qualified traffic. People who are going to these websites are making purchases. So with that being said, you can't afford to not be on either of these. You're going to have to be on both Teespring and Redbubble, but the good thing is, like I always say, they're all non-exclusive. So you can put the same designs on Teespring as you do on Redbubble. Now, the way that you approach these two have to be different. Redbubble, you can just upload your designs and forget about it. They have like 50 different items that you can print on, and it's literally just check marks. You just turn on all these different items, set it, and forget it. You don't have to do anything else. If you want to advertise on social media for these, you can send your own traffic and try to get more sales, but you don't need to. Redbubble will send its own qualified traffic to get you sales. Now, Teespring, you have to upload, but then you have to build up that trust score. So if you're new to Teespring, you're going to have to drive your own traffic in the beginning to get those initial sales so that Teespring starts to index your shirts on their marketplace in the retargeting and starting to drive the qualified traffic that Teespring will do for you automatically once your trust score is built up. So if you need to know how to get your first sales on Teespring, if you're new, I'm going to link the video that I released a couple days ago explaining literally step-by-step how to get your first sales and build up the trust score on Teespring. And the other thing is, make sure that the designs that you're making, you're not making on Teespring Designer, because then you can't control that. You don't have that to put on other websites. So make sure that you're making the designs yourself so you own that file and you can put it on these other websites. I recommend Typorama or WordSwag. I always talk about that, guys, but those are the two best smartphone apps. It's a couple bucks and you can design unlimited designs. You own that file. You can put it on all these websites. Between these two websites, Teespring or Redbubble, upload to both. Now, when you upload to Redbubble, you can set it and forget it. When you upload to Teespring, if you haven't built your trust score already, you're going to have to drive your own sales to build your trust score, and then you can forget it. Then everything will be passive because they'll be doing the marketing for you. So I think that was an excellent question. Teespring or Redbubble, they're two big players, and hopefully my answer helps you to shape your strategy going forward for print on demand. To you guys who have made it this far in this video and are returning to this channel, thank you guys so much. You guys are the backbone of this channel. You're supporting me so much with comments and likes, and it tells YouTube that the content that I'm putting out to you guys is valuable and not just a bunch of BS. I try to lay it all out on the line and help you guys so much, and I really appreciate it when you guys are thanking me with comments and showing support with likes. So thank you so much. Guys, if you have any suggestions or requests for videos, specific topics, it can be very specific or a general topic, just leave it in the comments and I'll make you a video about it. I'm always checking the comments, responding to you guys, and I've got a list of 30-something videos that you guys have requested that I'm currently working on, screen recording, filming at the house, and doing videos in the car like this. So with that being said, thank you guys so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, I've always got more coming for you guys, so subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.